chase the dog. Excuse me, Mom. I'm doing a video. Where's the dog? Dog. I'm getting the dog on video. Okay, hi. Oh, God. Don't kill me. Hi.
Hey, puppy.
Hi. Oh, no, he's running.
Don't worry about it, big
Right here.
I'm sure you got
Oh, hi.
before it happens.
Hey, dog.
Or,
Okay.
as the good reverend would say, why we on this particular mission, we don't never know. But I do know here today that the Black Knights will emerge victorious once again. Amen, man. Amen, Reverend.
I got it.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, Moose. Moose came and I freaked out. Oh, my God.
Los Angeles Tax Squadron has AMRAAM missiles locked on target.
Fight. No, don't really.
Alright, Will.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
I heard like that.
Hi. Hey, what? Oh, yeah.
I
Ryan.
have a member.
Yeah.
Ryan.
My buddy.
Okay,
got
he's
the
talking.
whatever,
The black card.
The black card. And he's like, I go to get massage.
Okay, dog. Hey, dog. Say hi.
Yeah, they have massage.
I didn't get that.
There's one at the mall. There's one other one.
Oh.
There's one.
Oh, he just threw him. Oh. I'm getting all of this on camera. I'm getting all of this on YouTube. Huh? Yeah. I got him flung into the trash can.
$20 a month for everything.
40? Oh, it's 40.
Oh, God, dogs.
I know for Black Friday they
The
were
dog
running
fight.
We got black card for some. I didn't read.
Houdini.
Yeah, it's 10.70.
Oh, they just dropped the thing. Now they're really
I
fighting.
don't do the tanning and stuff. But
No, Hannah, don't do that. Don't do it.
It's $10.70 a month.
And then when you got black card, can't you bring any friends?
Yep. You can bring one person.
If someone else stays with the membership. And
I got his butt.
He doesn't want them to have it.
You're up my rope, bro.
That was him growling at him too.
Oh, God. Why does Moose keep turning?
Like, I'm pretty sure he was rescued.
He was ready to like go at them.
Whoa.
He just jumped to go at the bear and I like got in the way.
I thought, yeah, I'm getting all of this. Oh, hey, dog. Hey, Moose. Hey, bear. Oh, Moose, you want to go? Okay. Let's chase the dogs to this fight. Yeah. Moose is like, what the? Hey, Moose. He's a big dog. Nobody wants to see your butt. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh, God, they're getting close to my feet. No, they're still fighting, Hannah. Oh, God. I'm getting all of this on YouTube, Dad. This whole fight. Now they're just laying down. Oh, there goes Bear.
Looking at Moose's mouth.
This video can go up to 30 minutes. Okay, Hannah, they're good again. They're fine. They're just not.
Yeah, but I don't know about Jason though. He's more.
Oh, God.
Why would you not like that? That's so
That was
nice.
nice.
Bear.
Bet? I think you got bet.
Oh, he's biting ears.
Yeah, bear's
Oh, Bear's biting his ears.
swirly butt. He's swirly butt.
He's like a freaking
He
bird.
doesn't care.
This is a bird.
He's like a drag doll to Moose.
This is our entertainment for the night when I have Bear.
And then you can watch it over and over again because I have it on the video.
You take it from you, Goofy.
Oh.
Take it from you.
Yeah, that little dog's good.
You take it from you.
He
Ah.
brings it right.
He doesn't bring her in. You gonna
What
say?
I got. Come here.
Don't you wish you had this rope? This is mine. Beat you fair and square for it.
He's old. Hey,
He's wagging his tail.
Oh,
Fair.
here we go. Black Friday bonanza.
Oh! What the frick? I thought your hand was Moose getting up. Oh, okay, they're getting close to me. Oh God! Why does it always have to be me they run by? I didn't get that, Hannah! Moose keeps making like bear fly. These both just look at the camera. Oh, what's going on? Oh God! Oh my God! Who's dragging him? Hannah, I got your feet instead of the dogs.
she's
Where's the dogs?
Ethan.
Sorry.
Right in the
Where are they?
kisses. Can I put my hand in the middle of this?
No, I don't like it.
That noise. That noise. Every time I hear Moose growl, I think something's going on.
Bear, stop it.
And the fight's over. Okay,
No more having fun.
no more having fun.
Bite him, Bear.
He doesn't get like that though. That's weird.
Bite him, Bear.
I'm getting the floor instead of the bear.
Bite him. He's taking away from your fun. Come, you sleep better.
I'm getting both of the dogs in one shot.
Come, you sleep better tonight. Don't get up so early. Yeah, right. That doesn't even work all the time.
7 o'clock this morning.
He's an early riser.
Mama,
Me too.
tomorrow there's gonna work on my
That's what time I
YouTube
was up. 10
7.
after 7.
Brian,
Yep.
guess what?
I'm gonna wake
Not
up.
tomorrow, later. He's
But that's sleeping into me
When
because
Hannah
I'm
has
usually
no
up at
school
5.
whenever I open
Oh.
my eyes.
Yeah, because I have to get up at 5 every day for work. So
I just don't. He like wakes up and he's like needs like an hour and then he's tired again.
Yeah.
I don't get it. He slept for almost 2 hours.
Wait, are they fighting again? Oh my gosh, they're doing it again. I am so glad I did
Hey.
not end my video.
Stop. Just play with the rope.
Hannah! Whoa. Yay, bro.
Oh, that was him dropping.
Hi.
We've gotten so long.
Bear, Bear,
He's getting bigger.
He's like, okay.
He's fat and he's skinny. Don't take that offensive.
Skinnier Rottweiler.
What?
Yeah, he's well, because
You
he's
should
kind
see
of
up.
fatty. Yeah.
You should see up.
Hey, bear.
He should be bigger.
Okay.
He wants to be on YouTube.
Wanna be on YouTube? Alright, that's his face.
When he lays on it,
That's his
My
face.
name is Bear Bear, and today I'm gonna be on YouTube. You wanna join us for our YouTube channel?
It's my YouTube channel. What are you talking about?
Because it's almost 8
For Ethan's YouTube channel?
She told me that clock didn't
No,
work.
put it down.
And I was
unless
like,
somebody's
Okay,
messing
okay,
with
stop
you,
recording
like,
it.
No.
Jeremy.
it's 10 to 7.
Hannah, go. Give me it. Give me
It's
it.
an hour off, which is what
Oh,
I said.
jeez. Oh, jeez.
I thought I was giving her one.
This again. Bear. Bear. Go. Stay.
Ethan, would you like a cookie?
Bear, go. Bear, go.
Ethan,
Stay. Bear, go.
Ethan, would you like a cookie?
Bear, go. Hey! Oh my god. Yeah, I'll just take a cookie and this is too much stress. Now, what is eating a cookie.
20.
He's 22.
21.
Mama, she's only 14.
Are you? Oh, that's your sister, isn't it?
I did think it was.
I don't know. I'm sitting
Thought it
there
was a
looking at her.
president.
I'm like, wait a minute. That looks like Mallory with
Blonde hair.
Blonde hair. I thought it was your cousin. Okay. Riley. Okay. Wow.
Sweet.